Magandang umaga po. Ako po si Mel Salazar from Seafood City, Canada. So, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Elber Park para introduce po natin yung arrival ng ating Mango Philippines. Real Mango Philippines. Ito yung tinatawag nila na Mango Carabao from Zambales. So, ito yung pinaka-una-unang shipment ng ating or importing natin ng direct from the Philippines. Of course, sa katulungan ng ating DTI in Toronto, of course. At of course, kasama natin dyan ang PAL Philippines. At ang ating main distributor dito, ang TSI, ang pinukuhanan natin ng mangga. So, mga kababayan, ito po yung pinakaunang first shipment natin ever dito sa Toronto, Canada. Itong Mango Carabao from Zambales. Fresh from Philippines, fresh Carabao. So, kung gusto nyo pong kuhanin, available po ito sa Seafood City, sa buong Seafood City sa Canada. So, mga kababayan, kung gusto niyo po, tangkili po natin ang sarili nating mangga ng Pilipinas.
So, yung first importation nyo, gano'ng karami yan?
Yung first batch po natin, sir, nagkaroon tayo ng around 180 boxes ng importing ng Mango Carabao.
Okay. So, ang source nyo sa Zambales lang?
Ito po source is galing, itong mangga na to ay galing sa Zambales. Okay? Through our shipment via PAL and of course yung local vendor natin dito, ang tinatawag na TSI Canada. So sila po yung tanging pinagkuhanan natin ng mangga.
So yung prices nyo competitive pa dito sa mga existing
It's very different po ito kasi napaka-special. Iba, pag sinabi mo nating mango ng Pilipinas, ang mangga ng Pilipinas, kakaiba sa lahat. Ang usual po dito na tinatawag na nanggagaling sa Chile, nanggagaling sa Mexico, yun po yung mga mango atopo na nanggagaling usual sa mga tindahan dito sa Canada. Pero itong mangga na to is fresh, really back from the Philippines. Kahit tignan nyo po, very premium siya.
UMAC for Water Express Incorporated, United Mindanaoan in Canada, and lastly, University of the Philippines
kung gusto mo, po kayo sa Seafood City, maabil niyo po yung mangga ng Pilipinas.
So, yung isang box na ganyan, magkano yan?
Ang isang box po natin ngayon is 118. Isang box po natin. So, isang box natin is 118. Nagkakalaman po ito ng 16 pieces na piraso sa loob.
Ano yung 818?
118.99 sa isang box po natin ng mangga.
Canadian dollar?
Canadian dollar plus tax.
Okay. Hindi ba masyado mahal yan?
Very compatible po tayo, sir, kasi ito po ay ang shipment na to is talagang galing sa Pilipinas. So yung value is worth buying po naman po talaga ng ating produkto. At tangkilikin natin kasi talagang Mango Carabao ng Pilipinas to. Hindi po to, ito yung real, genuine Mango Carabao ng Pilipinas.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, we are proud to announce that we are already exporting Philippine mangoes here in Canada, specifically here in Toronto. It was a Philippine government effort together with exporters from the Philippines, Highlands Marketing, and the importer here in Canada, which is TSI Tropicals. So we are encouraging the Filipino diaspora here in Canada to support our Philippine products. We brought the Philippine mangoes here in Canada because it's really one of the most iconic fruits of the Philippines. It is also a fruit that the Philippine government is pushing to be exported around the world. I know a lot of people have been asking why are the Philippine mangoes that are being sold here are expensive, and the reason for that is because, first of all, you have to consider its premium quality. The mangoes, the Philippine Carabao mangoes, are being sold as premium products. So they will have to be a little bit more expensive because, as you know naman talaga, the quality naman of our mangoes are different from the other mango varieties that you can find here. Its Philippine mangoes are recognized as the sweetest in the world per the Guinness Book of World Records. And you have to also consider that the distance between Philippines and Canada, it takes, it's a long distance for the mangoes to arrive here. And of course the corresponding freight costs. So that's the reason why it's a little bit more expensive. But it's worth it. Because the quality really is very different from all the rest. So we encourage everybody to support our Philippine products. They are available in Seafood City, the 2 Seafood City stores here in the GTA, as well as the online shop of the importer, which is fruiter.ca. So you can also order it online and the mangoes will be delivered to you. But the importer told us that they're also planning to distribute it to the other grocery stores here in Canada to make it more mainstream.
So when did the government decide to import mango from the Philippines to Canada?
Actually, it's not, there's no specific year. Our Department of Agriculture has always been pushing for the mangoes to be exported around the world, not only in Canada. The reason lang why it took a long time, because it is only now that there was an importer who was willing to take the risk of importing the mangoes from the Philippines because nga of the long distance and the corresponding freight costs. So usually pag naririnig na nila yung freight costs, medyo nagbabacktrack yung ibang mga importers. But TSI Tropicals, they promised to support us because the reason why they decided to take a risk, they know the quality of our mangoes. They've tasted the Philippine mangoes, and even they themselves said that the quality is really different. Because the truth is, TSI Tropicals also import mangoes from Mexico, even Australia, and Vietnam and China. Pero ang sabi nila, iba daw yung quality ng Philippine mangoes natin. And it also, so that's why they also, they jumped at the opportunity to be able to import the mangoes here because they were able to find the right partners, which are Philippine Airlines and Highlas Marketing. And of course, the Philippine Consulate General was the one that put them all together.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.